Hello, my name is Terry Larson. Welcome to my website. I am the Constitution Party of Wisconsin's 2018 candidate for State Attorney General. The other two candidates in this race include the current Republican officeholder Brad Schimmel and the Democrat Josh Kaul. If you elect me as your Attorney General, several things will come to an end in Wisconsin. Number one, the enforcement of Supreme Court opinions as law upon the citizens of Wisconsin. No court opinion revises or repeals state laws or enacts new laws for the citizens of Wisconsin. That is the function of our state legislature. Number two, the destruction or removal of Civil War memorials and monuments, including those for the Confederacy. I will urge the state legislature to protect all veterans' memorials and monuments in Wisconsin under state law and insist all Civil War monuments and memorials be protected as well. We currently have no such protections. Number three, the creation of sanctuary areas for illegal aliens. I will urge the state legislature to prohibit the creation of any sanctuary areas anywhere in the state of Wisconsin. Number four, infringements upon the freedom of speech and religion or the right to bear arms, which the citizens of Wisconsin have under both our federal and state constitutions. I will urge the citizens of the state of Wisconsin and the state legislature to prohibit anyone doing business in the state of Wisconsin from infringing upon these rights and to provide armed security services for all K-12 public and private schools in Wisconsin. These are the first four things which will come to an end in Wisconsin if I am elected Attorney General. You will find more detail on these and other actions in my pledge and other areas on this website. I am not the usual or standard third-party candidate campaigning against a Democrat and a Republican. I am campaigning against the progressives in both of those political parties. Progressives control the Democrat Party and they dominate the Republican Party and the entertainment and news media and academia. In the last few years, people continue to observe there is little difference between the two parties. They are the same in that both are infested with progressives. From my perspective, they are joined together in undermining our Constitution and bringing this constitutional republic to an end. I detailed what progressives have done in my first book, The Christian Response to Homosexual Marriage, subtitled How Progressives Are Ending America, published in 2017, exactly 2 years after the Obergefell versus Hodges Supreme Court opinion, which I wrote the book in response to. That opinion was the high point in the Supreme Court's abuse of constitutional authority when it declared state laws which didn't provide for same-sex marriage were unconstitutional, and then told us same-sex marriages were legal in our states because they told us so. This was the high point in the federal government taking for itself any and all powers reserved to the states by the Constitution, states which had always regulated marriage until that day. When progressives end state sovereignty in America, they will complete our transformation from a constitutional republic into a totalitarian state. When progressives end the rule of law in America, we will be living under the rule of men once more, to use that old phrase. I have 5 children and several grandchildren, and I will not leave them behind without saying or doing something about this. As a state attorney general, I will be able to both say and do something about state sovereignty and the rule of law. And so I am running for the office of state attorney general in Wisconsin.